안녕하세요. Hello K friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing very well. Today I would like to introduce a dish that is often made when family members are sick or have no appetite. It's called chicken vegetable porridge. It's great to have it even for a tasteless breakfast. Shall we make it together? This is glutinous rice and this is just regular rice. Glutinous rice is whiter than regular rice. Today we will use glutinous rice, which has a stickier texture for chicken porridge. This glutinous rice has been soaked in water for about an hour and drained. If you find this process inconvenient, you can use leftover rice instead. If you don't have a glutinous rice, you can use regular rice instead. If you have a zucchini, slice it thinly. Slice it thinly again. Finely chop it. Slice the carrot thinly as well. Slice the carrot thinly again. Finely chop the sliced carrot. Slice the onion thinly. Finely chop it again. Finely chop 1 green onion. Mince 2 cloves of garlic. You can also add any other vegetables you like. Today we will use chicken breast. Cut the chicken breast in half. Then cut it lengthwise. Cut it into appropriate sizes. Using chicken breast will make the porridge more tender and delicious. If you add beef, it will become beef porridge. Put 1 tablespoon of sesame oil in a preheated pot. Add minced garlic. Stir fry it a little until the garlic aroma comes out. Add a chopped onion and stir fry. Add the chicken as well. Add a pinch of salt to season. Then add the soaked rice. When the rice becomes somewhat transparent, add 7 cups of water. Boil it over high heat. Open the lid and let it boiling. The porridge may overflow when it boils. When the porridge boils, reduce the heat to medium and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Keep the lid slightly open when boiling to prevent overflow. After 10 minutes, add the sliced zucchini, carrot, and green onion. Stir well. If you add the green onion from the beginning, the color won't look as nice. Also, adjust the seasoning. Add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce or tuna fish sauce. If you find it bland, you can adjust the seasoning with a bit of salt. Finally, add a little bit of pepper. I'm going to transfer in a bowl. Very delicious and healthy chicken porridge is done. How was today's recipe? Chicken vegetable porridge is delicious and easy to make, so try making it for this weekend. Thanks for watching. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.